I'm starting the vlog with a huge unboxing because I just got this package from my Palmolive fam, and this is the Gandang Panalo kit. So let's do an unboxing and stay till the end because we're gonna be having a giveaway. Palmolive is also having a giveaway, so I'll be announcing that in a few. But basically, this is their Gandang Panalo kit. I love how they really thought of the packaging kasi magagamit nito ulit. So it's really huge. I can store a bunch of my stuff here. So when you open it, it has a bunch of items. Let's start with this one that I actually used already kasi naubusan ako ng shampoo ko, but this one is the Ultra Smooth Shampoo and Conditioner. And then they also sent me the conditioner. And then they sent me 2 of their body wash. This one on my right is the Moroccan Argan Oil. And then this one on the left is the Sea Minerals with seaweed and sea salt. So, amoy natin siya guys kung mabango. Ooh, it smells good. And then they also sent me their Sea Minerals Hand Wash Antibacterial. I use this one. Makikita nyo to sa CR ko mamaya. Oh my gosh, you guys! They sent me my favorite dry shampoo. If you guys have been watching my Instagram stories or Instagram posts, then alam nyo na favorite ko talaga to. And they're both mabango, pero mas gusto ko yung pink, which is the fresh and fragrant. I'm so happy that I finally have the travel size. So, pwede to dalhin sa bag, sa car, very on the go. Then the purple naman, it's the Fresh and Volume Mixed Berries. Super love these kasi sobrang dali niya lang gamitin and it works really well. So, highly recommend these products. Next, they sent me the Micellar Shampoo Pure Moisture with natural rose oil, and then they also sent me the conditioner. And then we also have Palmolive Naturals Intensive Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner. This one is for dry or coarse hair. Tapos, the conditioner din. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I love how all their products always smell so good, and the packaging is so nice. It looks very premium, and the products really work well. A lot of people are actually asking me all the time, Ate Lexi or Lexi, what's your hair care routine? And honestly, my hair is not that arte. I really just use the right products. So later I'll show you guys how do I treat my hair ba. We can do like a shower routine later night. And the last 4 Palmolive products are bar soaps. So we have the Pinkish and Glow with rose petals and cherries. We have 2 of these. And then we also have the white with 100% natural milk protein and the white with 100% natural papaya extract. Inside, we have another tiny rattan box. Wow, we have a bunch of self-care products, but these ones are not Palmolive na. We have a candle, loose leaf green tea, Hawaiian room or linen spray, essential oil, and clay mask, silk robe. Wow, thank you so much, Palmolive. Gagamitin ko to mamaya, guys. Oh, it's so nice! I love the color. Palmolive is doing a huge giveaway, you guys. As in, they're giving over 5 million worth of prizes. So definitely, you don't want to miss this because your chances are pretty high since they have araw-araw draws and their grand draws. As in, ito yung prizes na pwede nyong panalunan kung sumali kayo. So super duper easy lang ng steps, guys. First is you must purchase any products pwedeng sa store mismo or online. Tapos, second is i-input nyo lang yung purchase nyo sa website, which is palmolivepromo.ph. And lastly, abangan nyo lang yung text or yung message kung nanalo na kayo. As easy as that. Super duper dali lang, guys. I highly recommend you all to join, and it's running from August 1st to October 31st. So, sobrang haba. And you can join multiple times. So, what are you waiting for, guys? Join na! Hey guys, it's now time for my shower routine. You guys have been asking my hair care routine, and I've always been telling you guys the products that I use, but today I decided to do a shower routine so that you guys can see how I apply it on my hair and basically how I treat my hair when I'm in the shower. So let's go. Okay, so papatayin ko muna yung shower ko kasi medyo malakas yung water. But basically, binabasa ko lang muna yung hair ko. And then we're gonna start off with my shampoo. This one is Palmolive Naturals Ultra Smooth Shampoo and Conditioner. So it's kind of like a 2-in-1 product. Okay, so I have a few products on my hand. Tapos babasahin ko lang yung hair ko. Tapos, tinatouch ko lang yung hair ko, guys. Tapos pag kulang, I'm just gonna be getting more shampoo kasi sobrang haba na ng buhok ko. So, dumadami din yung product na kailangan ko ilagay. So, how I do it is, I rub it ganyan to my scalp para I make sure na lagyan lahat. Tapos dito sa M, ginaganyan-ganyan ko lang. I hope you guys get me, but yeah, you guys can see naman what I'm doing. Then I just get everything and then just put it around in circles. As you guys can see, super mabula siya and it's super mabango. Then I'm just gonna rinse my hands. Then I'm just gonna leave the shampoo on my hair. Then I get my loofah and I just scrub this all over my body. I don't scrub all the time. Siguro pag night lang or couple times a week, but usually nire-rub ko lang yung body wash. But today, we're gonna be doing like my extra shower routine. So, we'll just scrub it all over. Wait, basahin natin konti. Yan. And then, of course, sa legs din. Pero hindi ko na yung papakita. Of course, gotta scrub every part of your body. Okay, and then once that is done, I'm just gonna banlaw my loofah like that. Once my loofah is clean, ako naman yung magbabanlaw, so I'm just gonna rinse off the body soap and my shampoo. Okay, once that is done, it's time for my conditioner. So, of course, yung ka-pair ng shampoo ko, which is the Palmolive's Natural Ultra Smooth Conditioner. So, this one, I don't use it every day. I only use it mga 3 times a week. Tapos, it's either morning lang or night lang. So, ang ginagawa ko naman dito, since medyo mahaba na talaga yung hair ko, I don't put it sa buong hair ko. Parang sa dulo lang. So, we're gonna be getting some product. Yan, medyo madami, guys. Dati medyo tipid-tipid ko pa, pero I learned that I shouldn't. So, I'm just gonna be getting all those products. Tapos, I'll put them here. Dito lang, guys, sa may dulo. Tapos, iikot-ikot ko lang ganyan. And then, I like finger combing it. So, parang ganyan. Yeah. Dito lang sa may dulo. There. There. You guys can see that the product is really sa tips ng hair ko. So, I don't like putting it sa buong hair ko kasi feel ko nag-oil up siya pag ganyan. So, dito lang sa may dulo. Okay, 1 minute is done. So, right now, let's banlaw na our conditioner. And that wraps up my shower routine. Now it's time for the giveaway. So one lucky subscriber will be able to win all of these Palmolive products para matry nyo, and the product will speak for itself on how good it is. So the mechanics are here on the screen and also on the description box. Just check it out. And don't forget to join Palmolive's giveaway because that's until August 31st. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!